If you cook with garlic, you already know that it can be a little messy and time consuming to prep every time. That's exactly why I wanted to try this garlic press, so that I can make one of my favorite ingredients just a little bit easier to use in everyday cooking.
This one really surprised me with how simple it is. You just place the clove in, give it a squeeze, and it turns into a fine, ready-to-use garlic paste in seconds. It works with both peeled and unpeeled cloves, which saves me even more time when I'm cooking. One thing that I really like is that most of the peel stays inside the chamber, so you're not left with a big mess on your cutting board or stuck cleaning garlic off your knife. Cleanup is honestly quicker than I expected. Just give it a quick rinse and you're done. The handle feels solid and comfortable, so it doesn't take a lot of effort to use, even if you're prepping multiple cloves. I also love that it works for ginger too, which makes it even more useful in the kitchen.
This is one of those affordable kitchen tools that you end up reaching for all the time. If you want to save time while cooking, use more fresh garlic, and make meal prep easier, this is definitely worth adding to your kitchen.